Welcome, everyone. Today we bring you a powerful and practical story. This story is not about a famous person. It's not about a lucky lottery winner or a rich business owner. It's about real strategies, simple, clear steps that anyone can follow to multiply their income. Whether you're a student, a worker, or someone looking to grow, this story will open your eyes to new ideas. As you listen, not only will you improve your English, but you will also begin to see how small changes can create big results in your life. So let's begin the journey together. In every part of the world, many people work hard every day. They wake up early, travel far, and give their time to jobs that often leave them tired. At the end of the month, they receive their paycheck. But soon, the money is gone. Rent, food, bills, and transport eat away the income, leaving little or nothing behind. Some begin to feel stuck, as if there is no way forward. But deep inside, a quiet question grows. Is there a better way? Yes, there is a better way, but it doesn't begin with money. It begins with the mind. The first secret to multiplying income is understanding one simple truth. Time is limited, but value is unlimited. Most people trade time for money. They work more hours to earn more. But no one has more than 24 hours in a day. So, if income depends only on time, growth will always have a limit. However, when income depends on value, the ideas, skills, and impact a person can create, there is no limit. One good idea can earn more than years of hard work. One strong skill can open many doors. The journey begins when this truth is understood. The next step is to stop depending on only one income stream. Relying on just one job or one paycheck is risky. If the job is lost, the income disappears. But when there are multiple income streams, there is strength. For example, someone may have a full-time job, but also earn money from selling handmade products online, renting out a room, or offering tutoring services. Each income stream may begin small, but over time they grow. Even a few extra dollars each day can become a powerful tool for freedom and growth. The digital world has made this easier than ever. Today, anyone can use the internet to earn income from anywhere. A smartphone and a simple idea can start an online store. A free social media account can build a brand. A blog can share useful information and earn from ads. A YouTube channel can teach, entertain, or inspire and slowly grow into a source of income. These are not dreams. They are happening every day. People everywhere are learning how to use digital tools to create value and earn from it. Another powerful strategy is learning high-value skills. Some skills are in high demand and pay well in many countries. Skills like digital marketing, copywriting, video editing, graphic design, web development, and online sales are valuable. These skills are often free or low cost to learn. Websites like YouTube, Coursera, and many others offer lessons for free. Even just 1 hour a day spent learning a new skill can lead to a part-time job, freelance work, or even a new career. When income depends on valuable skills instead of low-wage labor, it begins to grow faster and more steadily. But growing income is not only about earning more, it is also about keeping more of what you earn. Many people earn good money but still feel poor because they spend it without thinking. A powerful strategy is managing money with a clear plan. One common method is the 50-30-20 rule. This means spending 50% of income on needs, like rent, food, transport, 30% on wants, like clothes, entertainment, and 20% on savings and investments. When money is managed wisely, every dollar works harder. Waste disappears, peace increases, and small savings become large over time. Saving is good, but investing is better. Investing means using money to make more money. This could be through buying tools that help grow a small business, joining an online course to improve skills, or starting a side project that earns income. Investments can also include buying shares, real estate, or digital products. Of course, not every investment is safe. That's why learning and research are important. But smart investments, made carefully, help income grow faster than simple saving alone. Time is one of the most important resources in life. Unlike money, once it's gone, it can't return. Many people lose hours each day doing things that do not help them grow, watching endless videos, scrolling through social media, or wasting time with negative people. But successful people protect their time. They make time for learning, they set goals, they create systems. 1 hour of focused effort each day can change everything over time. If that hour is used to write, learn, or build, it becomes more powerful than 10 hours of lazy work. Discipline plays a big role in income growth. Discipline means doing the right thing, even when you don't feel like it. It means choosing long-term success over short-term pleasure, waking up early, avoiding wasteful spending, sticking to a schedule, and staying consistent. These small choices build strong habits, and strong habits build strong income. There is no magic, just discipline repeated daily. The next real strategy is to create something once that pays again and again. This is called passive income. Passive income means earning money without working for it every day. For example, writing an ebook and selling it online, creating a digital course, building a YouTube video that earns ad money, or designing a product that sells automatically. These efforts take time to build, but once finished, they earn money again and again. Imagine earning money while sleeping, traveling, or spending time with family. That is the power of passive income. Another key idea is building systems, not just tasks. A task is something you do once. A system is something that runs again and again. For example, instead of selling one product each day by hand, create a website that sells it automatically. Instead of answering the same questions many times, make a video or write a guide that explains it. Systems save time and multiply results. They turn effort into lasting success. Environment also plays an important role in income growth. The people around you affect your thinking. If you spend time with people who complain, avoid growth, and stay negative, your energy falls. But if you connect with people who think big, try new ideas, and support learning, your energy rises. Even online communities can become powerful support systems. Podcasts, YouTube channels, books, and forums are all places where great minds gather. Being around the right ideas changes everything. Mindset is the heart of it all. A person who believes I can't will not try. A person who believes I can learn will find a way. Positive thinking does not mean ignoring problems. It means believing that problems have solutions. When the mind believes in growth, it begins to look for tools, for help, and for action. Every wealthy person was once a beginner. Every expert was once a student. The difference was not talent, it was mindset. Learning to say no is also a strategy. Say no to spending money on things that don't help you. Say no to time-wasting habits. Say no to people who always doubt or criticize your goals. Every no to something harmful is a yes to something better. A better future, a better income, a better life. It's also important to measure progress. When income is tracked, when every dollar is counted, control returns. Set small goals. For example, earn $100 extra this month, then try $200 next month. Celebrate progress, even small ones. Growth is not always fast, but it is always possible. As the story comes to a close, remember this: income can be multiplied, not through luck, not through magic, but through clear strategies like these. Think in terms of value, not time. Build multiple income streams. Learn high-value skills. Manage money with a smart system. Use time wisely and build strong habits. Create systems and passive income. Invest in yourself and your learning. Protect your energy and choose the right environment. Build the mindset of growth and belief. Track your goals and measure success. These are not just ideas. They are real. They work. Thousands of people use them every day to move from struggle to success. And now, you know them too. As you listened, you also practiced English, reading new words, understanding useful sentences, and learning with purpose. You are not just becoming richer in money, you are becoming richer in knowledge. That is the best kind of wealth. Thank you for being here, my friend. If you enjoyed this story and want more learning journeys like this one, please support this channel. Like, comment, and share this with someone who needs it. Every small action helps this message reach more learners like you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, you can multiply your income and your life one wise step at a time.